Adiguru Shankaracharya. He was a world famous erudite of unparalleled genius of his time. He was a very genius person, Adi Shankaracharya. Adiguru Shukracharya. There is mutual exchange between second lord and the fifth lord. Second lord, fifth, Sun and Mars. They are, Sun and Mars are in exchange. Sun is in the Mars house, Mars is in the Sun house. And Mars is the fifth house lord. So there is a mutual exchange between second lord and the fifth lord, Mars. In this way, all the Karak planets and the Karak houses of education are very beautifully placed. Shani is exalted in the fourth house, you can see. So very beautifully placed in this chart, because of which he earned the title of Jagat Guru by defeating all spiritual gurus in debate on scriptures. It was a world famous event of victory, popularly known as Shankar Digvijay. So basically, he was it is Adi Guru Shankaracharya. Shukracharya nahi hai ye, spelling mistake hai ye. This is Shankaracharya.
But you said that Mars and Ketu are not good for studying.
Huh?
So Mars and Ketu are not good for studying.
But the Lord, if powerful, is definitely good.
Okay, both we will
Mars in
see.
the fourth house is not good. Ketu in the fourth.
Sir, I have a question. Sir, if second lord and fifth lord are same like Jupiter, then also.
Yes. Yes. Then also it is very good.
Okay, sir.
Jupiter is also exalted here. Saturn is exalted here in the fourth house itself. Then second and fifth lord are in exchange. So it is, and Sun and Mercury are together, making a Buddhaditya Yoga in the 10th house, along with exchange with the fifth lord.
The second lord is also exalted, Sun.
This is also exalted. Moon is also exalted. So this big horoscope is excellent, just excellent. And he had a very, he's considered the best knowledgeable person in the last 2000 years. And all these ये चार जो हमारे बनाए हुए हैं, चार गद्दियां जो बनी हुई हैं, वो आदिगुरु शंकराचार्य ने बनाई थी. जो चार धाम बने हुए ना, रामेश्वरम धाम है और चार पीठ बने हुए, जो चारों पीठ वो आदिगुरु शंकराचार्य ने बनाए थे. रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, इनका देखें अगर, इन द हॉरोस्कोप ऑफ रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, लग्न लॉर्ड एंड 10th Lord Jupiter is exalted. 10th Lord Jupiter is here. Jupiter is first of all in the 5th house, very strong. And Lagan Lord, Moon and Jupiter, they are in exchange. So 5th Lord is in exchange with the Lagna Lord. And there is a mutual exchange between second Lord Mars and Mercury, fourth Lord Mercury. Mars and Mercury are in exchange. Mars and Ketu are sitting here, but it is in exchange yoga with Mercury. So Mars will give the results of Mercury, Mercury will give the results of Mars, so to say. There is a very beautiful mutual exchange between Lagna Lord and Jupiter and the fifth Lord Moon. So therefore, in this horoscope, exceptionally good intelligence level, which earned him lot of name and fame. National song Jan Gan Man was written by him, and he won Nobel Prize for his creation Gitanjali. He wrote the book Gitanjali, and for this he won the prize, Nobel Prize.
In this chart, Moon and Saturn are in 6th-8th position.
Huh?
Moon and Saturn are in 6th-8th position.
Moon and
Saturn
are in 6th-8th position. Yes, that's right. And that way Mars and Ketu are sitting in the 4th house. If you see this is also, you can see this is also not good, so to say. But
yes, sir.
And Ketu is debilitated here. That is another thing.
Yes,
but
sir.
you will see that this is cancelled because Mars and Mercury are in exchange.
Exchange.
That's one thing. Secondly, Sun and Mercury are making Buddhaditya Yoga.
Buddhati. Yes.
Thirdly, Jupiter is fifth lord is in exchange. It is exalted and it is in exchange with Moon. Okay. So you have to see other factors also. You cannot just decide on one factor. That Mars
Okay.
Ketu are here, so it is bad. But you have to see the other factors also simultaneously.
Okay.
Swami Vivekanand, you know that he was an intelligent person, very intelligent person. So Saturn and Moon are in the 10th house in Mercury sign. Ninth Lord Sun is in Lagna. Ninth Lord his Sun is in Lagna. That's why high education. Second Lord is in the 10th house. Second Lord Shani, it is in the 10th house. Fifth Lord Mars in its own sign. Here Mars is in own sign as well, aspected by Jupiter is aspecting the Mars. So there is Jupiter's influence on the Mars, on the fifth house. So Mars is not having a bad impact here. Jupiter's impact is there as well as Mars in own sign. That is the impact. Mutual exchange between the 10th Lord Mercury and second Lord Saturn. Mercury and Saturn are in exchange. Second Lord is also important because he was a good speaker because second Lord was in exchange. Second Lord is in exchange with Saturn.